Okay guys, so today I'm gonna prepare a very popular Bengali recipe known as Bata Mach Posto. Okay, and in English this fish is known as Labeo Bata. So I'm going to prepare Labeo Bata curry with poppy seed paste. So for that what we need is I will put mustard oil. Here I'm using mustard oil for this recipe. So I will put mustard. I have given mustard oil in this karai, and here I have this bata fish. Okay, so I have marinated this fish with a little bit of turmeric powder and salt. So after means the oil gets heated properly, I will fry this fish in this oil. So now it's time to put this fish one by one. You have to steam the flame and just cover it. So let's see what he's up to. You have to fry it very carefully because it pop out a lot. So just split it out. Again, close this lid. And I will let you see after frying this fish. So guys, this I have fried this bata fish, and it looks exactly like this. And now in the same pan, in the same karai, I will put 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, here I have small sized onion chopped. Now I will fry it. I will fry the onion, and when it turns a little bit light brown in color, I will put chopped tomato. Here I have small sized tomato, so chopped tomato. Stir a bit. And now I will put salt according to taste. Turmeric powder according to preference. Red chili powder. I'm giving 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And you have to fry it. And I will close the lid for 1-2 minutes. Now let's see what he's up to. Now that special ingredient I will give. This is poppy seed paste. I have given one green chili, and I have made this paste. Here I have 3 tablespoons of poppy seed paste. So you have to mix this poppy seed paste with this other ingredients. And now I will put a little bit of water into this. To make this curry. At this point of time, if you think that a salt quantity is required, then you can put maybe a little bit of salt. And stir it. And now I will put this Bata fish in this. You can serve this with rice. It will be yum, guys. Do try at home. I will just close the lid for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, our Bata fish with poppy seed paste is ready. Now I will switch off the gas and we'll put 1 teaspoon of mustard oil into this and few green chilies. We'll just mix a bit and we'll again keep this for 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, I will serve this in a plate. So guys, our yummy Bata fish with poppy seed paste is ready to serve. As you can see how yummy it is looking, and I hope you will like this recipe of mine, and do try at home, guys, and let me know how it was. And if you like this recipe of mine, then please don't forget to like, share this to your friend, and subscribe my channel for other such recipe. I'm gonna come with another new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye, guys.